Tom, talk to me a little bit about what's been happening over the last couple of days for you in terms of the investment case scenario for the Middle East. You're excited about potentially coming into the region and doing some work.
Yeah, well, thank you, Hadley. This is a good opportunity. It's not the business that left, and for us, it's something where we're looking to get back in. You know, Barings, long time ago, decades ago, had a presence in the Middle East. And over the last few years, as we brought our company together, our focus had been in Europe and the Americas and Asia. But for me personally, I felt the Middle East was a very important region to look at. And in the last year, spending time, this is my second trip in a year to the kingdom, I find it's a very important and interesting place for us to build relationships.
Walk me through the security narrative here, because there is a move, I think, from certainly U.S. investors in particular to move beyond what we've seen in the headlines. Certainly, we heard that encouraged, obviously, by the finance minister from Saudi Arabia yesterday, but also from people like Larry Fink. What's your take on that?
Well, my view is politics and the issues that come up, and they are very complex. And it's very hard to crystallize them where you can understand all the elements of it. What I look at is step back and say, what's important for the region is it important for the Vision 2030 and for the people of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia to diversify and grow their economy and create really jobs to put the youth to work in this country. That's a growing economy. That's a place that needs investment. That's the types of things we invest behind. We have to be aware of the politics. But we also, I believe in globalization of the economy, and markets have to open up, and the kingdom's working to do that.
Walk me through the investment case scenario for you guys, because one of the questions, obviously, I asked on my panel yesterday to Mr. Fink was, hey, listen, you had a lot of excitement surrounding this Aramco bond issuance, but that doesn't necessarily mean you're going to put money directly to work in the kingdom, and he really didn't have an answer for that.
Well, Aramco can go out and raise money, and the kingdom can go out and raise money in the global capital markets. The real question is, how does money come in to smaller projects or to things like infrastructure building or real estate? And I think that's where, for a firm like ours, we need to do our homework. We need to build relationships. Ultimately, when we invest, we tend to have a physical presence in those countries. I believe in the power, especially in things like real estate and infrastructure, of local presence. So that takes some time.
Hey everybody, it's Hadley Gamble from our new CNBC Middle East Bureau in Abu Dhabi. Thanks for stopping by. Now, to watch more, you can try one of the videos that just popped up on your screen. And don't forget to subscribe.